Welcome to Rise. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding the first products to your Rise store. From your designer dashboard, simply click the Add Product button. Then, add your product name and your product description. Next, enter the materials used and manufacturing information, where and how the product is made, and who made it, etc. Then, add the care instructions, followed by any special notes. This field is for anything not covered above. If you donate a percentage of proceeds to a charity, you could enter that here. Now select a category. To add images of your product, first start with the hero image, the main image you would like to appear on shopping pages. You can add additional images that are shown on your product page. You can then select whether or not your product is available in a range of different colours or sizes, or if it is a simple single colour, single size item. Let's set this product as having different sizes. First, we select Yes from the drop-down, which then gives us the ability to define our colours and sizes. I'll just create a single colour option, white. You could actually just leave this blank if you wish. Then I want to add some different size options. When we add our sizes, each size must be separated by the pipe symbol, which is usually located under the delete key on your keyboard and just looks like a vertical line or a lowercase l. When we've entered our sizes, hit the submit button and our variations will be created. You can then expand each variation and upload images for each colour variant. Add the SKU and pricing. You could, for example, add a sale price on one of the colours without affecting the pricing of the other colours. You can also choose whether or not you'd like to manage your inventory, in which case you can enter the quantity of items you have in stock, whether you allow back orders, and mark the item either in or out of stock. Finally, we can add shipping costs for our product. Let's add two different shipping costs, one for shipping within our country, Australia, and one for anywhere else in the world. The default setting is default international flat rate, so let's just add a price for global shipping here. Then, if we want to add our local shipping cost, we click the Add Rate button again and select Australia from the drop-down and add our fee. Now that we've finished adding our product, simply click Add Product, or if you'd like to go back and edit at a later date, click Save Draft. See you next time on Rise.